you want from me?
Alright, so how did you spell Michael?
I don't know. I can't remember.
How did he spell Michael?
E-L.
M-I-K-E-A-L or
No,
something
it's
like
just
that.
E-L.
E-L.
Okay, then how would you pronounce that?
Michael.
How would you pronounce that?
Mikel.
Okay, so are we in Russia?
Maybe. Depends what kind of mind you have.
If you're on acid, then yes, we are in Russia.
No, for an acid, we're in Muslim land.
Yeah, what does the acid got to do with Russia? What are you saying? Russia's a drug
Who's the retarded one there?
Yeah.
You?
Is Russia the acid capital of the world or something?
There's no way. Look at Jack Black. Pick a destiny where he's tripping out seeing mushrooms.
Oh.
Yeah, was he in Russia then? Hanging with Sasquatch?
No. He was here.
No, he wasn't.
Here.
Okay, back to the subject.
Mikhail and Michelle sound the same.
Okay, so Mikhail and Michelle sound the same.
Yeah.
But what about Michael?
No. It kind of rhymes with Mikhail. Kinda. Michael. Mikhail. No. Kinda.
Oh.
It depends. Michael. Mikhail.
Okay, for all you YouTubers out there, this one's going to be called Bird Can't Spell.
Bird can definitely not spell.
First of all, your name ain't Dur.
I didn't say that.
You said Dur.
I said over there. Like, look at that face, diamond over there. You know, not that one, no. Ugh. Ugh.
Okay, new one. This one's called Pam.
No.
Almost getting Josh.
Jay Bird.
Or whatever.